Creating a video with AI typically involves using specialized software or platforms that utilize artificial intelligence to automate various aspects of the video production process. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide. 1. Select a platform or software. Choose a platform or software that specializes in AI-driven video creation. Some popular options include Lumen 5, Runway ML, and others. Ensure it supports the type of video you want to create, e.g., social media clips, promotional videos, etc. 2. Input content. Provide the necessary content to the AI system. This could include text, images, video clips, audio, or a combination. 3. AI processing. The AI system will use algorithms to analyze the content and generate a video based on the provided input. The specific process will depend on the platform you're using. 4. Customization, if available. Some platforms allow you to fine-tune the generated video. You might be able to adjust aspects like style, pacing, transitions, and more. 5. Preview and edit. Review the generated video and make any necessary adjustments. This could involve tweaking the text, replacing images or clips, or making other modifications. 6. Export or download. Once you're satisfied with the video, export or download it in your desired format and resolution. 7. Final touches, if needed. If the video needs any additional editing, e.g., adding music, special effects, etc., you can use traditional video editing software for these final touches. 8. Save and share. Save the final version of the video to your computer or cloud storage. From there, you can share it on social media, your website, or any other desired platform. Remember, the level of customization and the capabilities of the AI will vary depending on the platform you choose. Some platforms offer more advanced features, while others may have limitations. Be sure to explore the specific capabilities of the platform you select.